When you're trying to find the property value of a property, sometimes it's a little bit hard, especially this time of year. So if you click on a property, it brings up a box that looks like this. Each different site is somewhat different. Some have an icon to click, some have a link. But either way, regardless, when you scroll down a bit, there's going to be something to click on. So this is the DCAD site. So we'll click on that, and it brings me to the stuff about who owns it, how big it is, all of those things. And if you scroll down, values looks like where I'd want to click to find the value. The problem is that it says NA. That doesn't mean that there's no value. The value is based on the tax year, which is now 2022, and there's no information for that. That doesn't mean we can't find this value. On all of the sites, there's something to look for that's going to be, there we go, the history, the roll value history. So we'll click this, and this tells me what the value is. So 2021, the land value was $150,000, and really none of this really matters. So that's the number you want, the 2021 number. And just about every property has a 2021 number. Sometimes in some of these sites, it's slightly different place than the others, but this is where you find it. And then of course I can click here, and this tells me how many acres this land is, and so on and so forth. So that's how you figure that out.